Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to try I have decided to try out a new challenge with my hair. Recently I hit a huge setback which caused my edges and my hair to break a lot. Yes, it did break a lot. So I decided to go back on some of my old recipes and try out new routines to see how I can grow my hair back. Yes, to grow my hair back. So I was thinking maybe I should share this challenge with you guys. I might find one or two people that would like to join me in this experience so we can try this challenge together. So the plan is to wash my hair, keep my hair in twist from now till the end of the year. It's currently July 13th. Yeah, July 13th. So I'm going to keep my hair in twist for the rest of the year. What I'm going to be doing is wash my hair, detangle my hair, wash my hair, decondition my hair in this twist, and then retwist it back. I'm going to take down one and retwist it back, apply my leave-in conditioner, then retwist it back. So I'm going to share some of the products that you can use to join me in this challenge. It's not expensive at all. This is the Mega Growth shampoo. You can get this, it's not expensive. Or you can try the Gentle Touch shampoo. You can get any of this. Just get a good shampoo that will work for you. If you have your shampoo, good for you. Just try that. Or you can try for the deep conditioner, you can try the Mega Growth deep conditioner. In between, I'm going to be sharing how we can add more products in the deep conditioner so we can make it more potent. Yeah, so it's going to be more effective. So in between, I'm going to be sharing what and what we're going to get, like aloe vera, eggs, and all those stuff to add to what we already have to make it more potent. Then I'm going to be using some leave-in conditioner. You can try this olive oil leave-in conditioner, or you can use the Mega Growth leave-in conditioner, or you can try the Gentle Touch leave-in conditioner. Either this or this. This is the tea tree anti-dandruff leave-in conditioner, and this is the herbal blend leave-in conditioner, all from Gentle Touch. So you can get any one of them. All these products are actually not that expensive. I think the most expensive of them is about 3,500 naira or so. So they're actually not that expensive. So you just need to create a routine, have a shampoo, deep conditioner, and a leave-in conditioner. Then you're going to need your growth oil. Definitely, you're going to need your growth oil. So I'm going to share maybe the things you can infuse in your oil so you can make your own leave growth oil as well, and also your butter. This is also my butter, so I'm going to be using this along with my leave-in conditioner. I'm going to share all the recipes for you guys so you know what you're going to be infusing in your oil and also to make your butter. So if you think you'll be interested in this challenge, then guys, let's start the challenge.